how to create an elf in ElfCam app. So here you can create your elf. You can change skin, hair as you want. Change ears, glasses, just customize as you want. You can also tap randomize and then just tap save. And then you can, what you can do, then you can just scan the floor, move devices slowly. That's the idea. And then just tap ready. And then you just tap to plot the route. This is like a elf route. And then here you can just see how the elf is moving, like using AR. Quite cool. You can also add some animations. This is AR, so I'm just showing my room. I can also add some additional filters, and I can also add some additional props. And then you can just record it. And then you can just share it, this photo.